Hi friends, today I am going to teach you how to make a ninja star using paper without any glue or tape. So the first step is to take a square paper. Then you need to fold it in half. Yes, so you fold it in half and cut it. Yes, so you cut it. One more side. Yes, so you cut it in half. Then keep the other one aside. Take one piece and fold it in half again. This time don't cut it. Then you do this on both sides. Like this. The paper should look like this. Then yes, take it. Stick it and do it like this. Like this. And from the other side, like this. Your paper should look something like this. Then repeat it on the other paper. But wait, there's a small change. Look, last time you did like this. Turn it opposite. Do it opposite. This time you do it the opposite. Yes. Then repeat the same process. Like this. And then like this. Yes. Then we put the paper like this. Okay. Then like this. Then put the other paper like this. This line. Look at this line. On both the sides, it should be like that. Then take this. Yes. Put it in the plus. Take this. Yes. Take this. Fold it and tuck it in over here. Wait. First fold these like this once. the other paper. Your paper should look something like this. Then turn it around and repeat the same process. Tuck the paper like this. Yes, like this. And the other one also. Wait. Now your ninja star is ready. You can even make multicolor ninja stars by taking two different color rectangle shapes. So friends, if you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!